And today, a short video from our friends over at Renpho, who are nice enough to send us their smart body tape measure. A little bit of the technical specs here, the model R-Y002. It's a smart tape measure, and it does include 3 AAA batteries that it needs for power, which is awesome. That's some of the information here on the back. So it has an instant Bluetooth connection with unlimited users, a retractable design, and it makes it easy for you to be able to measure your calves, your thighs, your biceps, your hips, your waist, your shoulders, your neck, etc. So let's open this on up. Cut our little seal here. All right, take a look at this. So in the box you get nothing else in there. So there's your 3 AAA batteries that are needed to power it. Love that that's included. The actual tape measure, plastic, and of course a full user's manual. So this is essentially what it looks like here. It gives you full instructions here on the screen. Got a little power and home, save favorites up and down. Nice little compact design. Love the little Renpho logo. This just easily pops right out for your 3 AA batteries. And then of course, you just pull this and it measures for you. And then when you're done, you got your nice and easy. Thanks again to my friends at Renpho who were nice enough to send this to me so I could unbox and show it to you. Once you put the batteries in, you're just able to easily it'll sync with it via Bluetooth and save everything into your for you. Thank you all for watching. Thanks again to Renpho for sending this, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.